Assalamu alaikum, students. As all of you know that nowadays we are doing question number 7, and today is the turn of the last part of question number 7. I think so now it becomes very easier for you that which step you have to adopt for finding construction of reflection and equation of line. Again, I repeat the question. Here, A and A prime is given. And first of all, you have to plot these 2 points. A and A prime, you have to plot on the graph. And after that, you have to construct line of reflection. Okay. I think so now it is clear that what is line of reflection? Actually, line of reflection is the distance between 2 points, the point and its reflection. And as you know, the line of reflection describe that the point and its reflection is of equal distance. Suppose if point is 2 step upward, this means its reflection is 2 step downward. Or similarly, if that point is on horizontal line, then if it is 2 step right hand side, and obviously its reflection is 2 step or on its left side. Okay. Now we comes to the graph. In part F, A and the values of A is given. I think so now it is clear to all of you that the first value indicate, yeah, very good. The first value indicate the value of X and the second value indicate value of Y. Clear? Similarly, these 2 points are given, A and A prime, and we have to, first of all, first step is that we just draw these 2 points on a Cartesian plane. First of all, I have to write the scale. It is very much necessary. The first step is you have to write the scale. So again, I have to take 1 unit for X. And similarly, I have to take 1 unit for Y. Clear? Now, I have to look here. The first point is -1 and +1. Look here. -1 and then on y-axis, it is +1. So here, this one is the first point. This is -1 and that is +1. Look front. X-axis, we have to take minus and then we have to take this one, +1. Clear? And the second point which we have to take is 3 and -1. This one is 3 and this one is -1 of y-axis. Now we come to the second part, that is you have to write the, look here, we have to find the line of reflection and the same formula we have to use. First, we have to find the midpoints and the formula uses x1 plus x2 divided by 2. Similarly, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So we have to place the values of A and A prime, and after solving, we get the midpoint, that is 1 and 0. Okay, and always remember, in order to find the gradient, you must remember that you have to just take any one of the points. Either you can take A or A prime to find the gradient of that particular graph. Clear? So midpoint is 1 and 0 and we have to take A prime and its value is 3 and -1. Okay, who will tell me what is the formula for finding the gradient? Very good. Its formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And as you know, this one. Here, the value, this 1 is 1 indicate x1 and this 3 indicate x2. Similarly, if this 0 shows y1 and this -1 shows y2. Clear? So after solving, we will get the slope and that is -1 by 2. But please, you must remember that whenever you have to find the reflection of slope, you must remember first step is that you have to change the sign and the second step is that you have to take the reciprocal. Actually, in previous parts, we have the gradient or slope only 1 or -1. So just you saw that we have to change the sign. But you must remember that whenever you have to find the reflection of slope, you have to keep in mind two steps. First step is that you have to change the sign, and the second step is that, what is the second step? That you have to take the reciprocal. Reciprocal means this 1/2 becomes 2/1. Okay, so when we have to take its reciprocal, what is a reflection of gradient? It is +2. Again, look here. If slope is -1/2, then its reflection is +2. Okay, because 2/1 means +2. Now we come to the last point, that we have to find the equation of the line. As you know that in this case, for finding the equation of the line, we have to put the values of y and x in this given equation, so that we have to find intercept, because in this case equation depends upon the y-intercept, and for y-intercept we chose this c. So we have to take the midpoint. The first value of midpoint shows the value of x, and the second value shows value of y. So we have to put it here in this equation. Y, instead of writing y, you have to write 0, and instead of writing x, you have to write 1. And after solving, we will get the value of intercept. What's the value of y-intercept? It is -2. So we have to put this in our equation. Y is equal to, and what is our reflection of slope? +2. So we have to write y is equal to +2x -2, and this is our equation. Clear? And I have to plot it this by using this maroon color line. First, I have to take intercept, and then I have to draw this line. Clear? And what is the intercept? -2. This means this one, -2, and then I have to take midpoints, that is 1 and 0. This one, look here. This is C, and this one is midpoint. And when I have to join this line, it shows the graph equation of the line y is equal to 2x -2. I think it is clear to all of you. And I think so it is more than clear, because for last 3 days we are doing the same question, and I think so now it is clear to all of you. Okay, then Allah.